Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you and telling you how to copy your wallet address. How to find your wallet address on Phantom and copy it. For those of you that are new into the crypto space and you want to know what the Phantom wallet is all about, this video is all for you. Okay, then in the next video that I'll be dropping shortly, I'll be showing you how to add USDT into this MetaMask the right way, for those that have been asking me in my DM how to do that. Okay, so if you're new in this channel, I expect that you subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications so that whenever I am dropping the next video, you are going to be updated. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first question you might ask is, what is Phantom Wallet actually? Well, Phantom Wallet is a decentralized wallet that help users to have access to their free tokens. The decentralized that I'm talking about there is in the sense that nobody has access to this wallet. Okay, the government itself or government of any country cannot even censor this wallet or censor your activity or your money and whatsoever you are doing inside here. Okay, so all the tokens that are present inside here are in form of digital. They are all digital assets, or you can call them digital dollars. I hope that is clear enough. So this is a non-custodial wallet. This is a decentralized wallet. All right, that means that everything you are doing here is governed by a seed phrase. And when once you lost those 12 key phrase, every information or your money that you have in this wallet is gonna be lost forever. All right, because this wallet is a decentralized wallet. You alone have the key to this wallet. Nobody, no government official or whosoever has access to this wallet. I hope that is clear enough. Now let's go over and let me show you how to copy your wallet address. So for you to be able to copy your wallet address, the first thing you have to do is to come right here. Okay, now after downloading the app and you've created an account in the app, and meanwhile if you don't know how to create an account in the app, I'll be dropping a video on how to do that for those of you that are new. All right, now if you've created the account here on the Phantom wallet, then you can come right here. You can come down here. These are all the list of tokens that I can see in the Phantom wallet. Okay, but what I mean by these are all the tokens, these are not all the tokens. You can add more tokens to this section. All right, you can add more tokens to this section, and then once you send any token to this section, it's gonna appear always. It's gonna appear somewhere down below this, right at the bottom. Okay, it's going to appear right at the bottom. Okay, and then once you want to copy any wallet address here on Phantom, you can do it in two ways. Okay, the first step you can do is to come over here where you have this receive right here. You tap on it. Okay, as soon as you tap on it right here, you can now come here and copy the wallet address. For example, these are the various network. We have the Ethereum, we have the base, the Mona testnet, we have the Solana testnet. So you can just click on right here and click on this and tap it. As soon as you tap it, you have copied the Solana address. That is how you locate your address. The next step on how to locate your address is to come down here. If you can tap on this in case you want to copy, like someone tells you to send him your Solana wallet address, just come down here where you have this, you tap on it. So as soon as you tap on it, it's going to load up the next page. You can now see it will take you to this page right here. Okay, so you just come down here where you have this, go to where you have this receive right here. I hope that is clear enough. Go to where you have this receive right here. You tap on it. Okay, so you tap on it. As soon as you tap on it, now here is, you can see here is your wallet address. Okay, here is your wallet address. This phrase that you see here is your wallet address. Okay, this is your wallet address. Okay, so you just come here, tap on this, and as soon as you tap on this, you have copied your wallet address. So this is how you locate your wallet address on Phantom and copy it. And this is all you need to know about Phantom wallet. I hope that is clear enough for those of you that are new in the crypto space. Now, if you like and enjoy this video, kindly ensure you subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications so that whenever I'm dropping the next video, you are always gonna be updated on time. Ensure you join the Telegram group to stay more updated in other future updates. See you in the next video.